Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video with me, Cowie. In this video, I have prepared a special little thingamajig for you all once again, and this is a small, tiny little house, and maybe the smallest house I've ever built. And yes, TD Bricks, I did beat you on this one. You had made a challenge about a year ago, and I took that inspiration, and I built this little thing, so shout out to TD Bricks. It is based on an 8x16 base plate, but I did not want to make it that large. I wanted to make it super tiny, so the whole interior is about only 6x10 studs. The color of this building is quite simple, just using some medium blue bricks with a layer of white. Of course, the roof is removable and is built with an illegal snot technique, it's just hinges. Hinges, in my opinion, are one of the best ways to create a roof, and that's what I went with. As for the sides of the build, I am not too proud actually, because it is quite bland with just some windows. Demolishing, disassembling, whatever you want to call it, removing this wall, you can see the interior a little bit better. As for the flooring, it is tiled with sand green, and we have a kitchen, a little loft, and a bathroom. The tiny itsy bitsy little kitchen includes a fridge and a sink. The sink design, as you can see, is pretty simple, and the fridge is white with a little knob. So the loft, it kind of just pops off, and basically it's built with just regular bricks and a ladder leading up to a small little lofty bed. The ladder is just built with regular plates and then tiles in between them, and then connected with a snot brick. Then there's the part we've all been waiting for, which is the toilet, and this is inspired by Jet Brick's toilet, and I added my own little twist to it. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a big like below and tell me anything in the comments. Until next time, keep doing what you love, and I'll see you around.
Here comes the sun.